Someone highlighted recently that the number of West Indian players currently playing in the IPL is on the decline. Outside of the veterans, Sunil Narine and Andre Russell, Nicholas Pooran, Shimron Hetmeyer, and Shavin Rutherford, who are regular starters for their teams, no new West Indian T20 stars are breaking through. Now, what is that saying about the T20 production line in the West Indies? Is it that the predictability and the one-dimensional style of the West Indian T20 batsmen have been worked out by the franchise and the bowlers around the world? And with the swashbuckling, boundary-hitting Caribbean pinch hitters, not the hot items they once were, what will the effect be on the West Indies international T20 team? The only team that's been keeping West Indies cricket relevant. In the room, that's the elephant.